Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add people on Telegram. First of all, open up the Telegram app. After opening the Telegram, click to open a group chat here. Tap on Group Profile Info and click on Invite Link. Then go back to Chats and open up another group chat. Tap on its group info and click on Add Members. You can add members from contact into the group. Or you can click on the new message icon from the bottom right corner. Then from here, you can see the new group, new secret chat, new channel options. You can send a new message or make a new group from here. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.